Alright, so this is some more of that mundane crap we get to do. The locks on the back of this trash truck. Swing! I already got this one done. And basically just heat it, forge it, straighten it all out, bolt it back up and done. Do the same thing on this one. So this one's a little bit different than the other one. I had to cut out that center support so I can actually use my thin anvil. Anyway, let's heat and beat. All right, got them both all straightened up. That one's still got a little bit of a porno curve, but I'm not too worried about it. Gonna go ahead and clean them up. I think I'm gonna go ahead and paint them. Oh, and just a note, I don't care how clean they get these things. That smell gets into the steel. You heat it up and it's a whole new level of ew. You know, kind of taste it. Anyway, let's get these bolted on. Well, it ain't pretty, but they latch again, and they're straight-ish. So we're gonna go ahead and